Have you been looking for a staycation or a rest house near Nuvali with a cool breeze and a beautiful surroundings? Well, today I'm very excited because we'll be showing you around this modern minimalist home just 5 minutes away from Nuvali and the currently being constructed SM Euler. Tara, simulan na natin ang ating house tour. Hi guys, I'm Marman Cruz and today we're here in Ridgeland Hills 3, just right across AUP and 5 minutes away from Nuvali to feature this brand new modern home with a minimum lot area of 210 square meters and a floor area of 280 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and a jacuzzi at the back of the house. Actually, itong property na to, pwede siya maging rest house, vacation home. It can be a retirement home also, or maybe for that small family who wants to live near Nuvali, near the Calax, near going Tagaytay, perfect na perfect po siya. Kaya po, I'm really excited to show you around. Let's begin with the external tour of this property. Let's begin the tour with our carport. Yung carport po natin, kasya po ang 2 huge size na mga mid-size SUVs. Kasya po siya. Even yung mga vans, especially if you're not gonna put a gate. By the way, dito po, pwede naman tayo mag-gate. Pero since yung community naman is safe, you can still not place a gate in front of you. Pero for security, pwede pa rin naman. Pagka naglagay na po tayo ng gate, siguro mga SUVs, pwede po siya. Right here, as you can see, ang ganda po ng frontage ng house natin. You have that tiled carport and then you also have that beautiful ceiling at your carport, and then you have your steps here, and then you have some landscaping. Now, as you can see, meron tayong dalawang entryway going to the back part of the house. We have this side, which is a small pedestrian gate, and then yung dadaanan po natin ngayon will be yung service area. So tara, sundan niyo ako. This is the service area. Ang maganda lang po for both gates, meron po siyang susian, so it will be secure, especially wala pong makakapasok basta-basta. So at least gated po, secure with a lock. So tara, pasok kayo. This is the service area. And na-imagine ko na that we can have barbecues here, you can cook or you have events with your family. Lalong-lalo na yan, you have a 2 sliding glass, double sliding glass doors here, facing the view of the Laguna de Bay. Sobrang ganda niya, and the view of the residential properties beside it. And it's very nice. Everything is styled very warm, very cozy. I can just imagine sitting down having drinks with my friend or just spending time with the family. We also have an outdoor kitchen here. You can actually place your own roof para lang din may protection ka from the harsh conditions or outdoor conditions. You can cook here, you can do your grilling here. You have your utility area here, you can do your laundry here. And this is also my favorite part, you still have a lawn area. And then dito rin, ang maganda dyan, look at this. These are sliding glass doors. This is your dining area, and this is your bedroom. This is one of the bedrooms in the house. Just imagine yung view nila from the inside, looking out to the property. Sobrang ganda niya. And then you still have this landscaping. Now, as we move a little bit further through this property, meron tayo ditong deck. So the deck can be a viewing area. And then, ang maganda po dyan, you have your hydro jacuzzi here na which in the family can enjoy, your friends can enjoy. Yun yung sinabi ko sa simula, this can be an Airbnb property. This can rent out since malapit din po siya sa Nuvali, malapit din siya papunta ng Tagaytay. Just a few minutes away, less than 30 minutes. And then on the other side, it's more landscaping so that you can put more beautiful plants here in the property. So we're done with the exterior part of the house. Let me tour you in the ground floor. Tara, pasok po kayo. Let me tour you around the ground floor area. Here in the ground floor, you have your kitchen, your living, and you also have 1 bedroom and a toilet and bath. As we enter, we are greeted by our double height ceiling living area. It's just a good space, not too big, not too small, just the right space to entertain your guests. And what's nice about this whole area is your living area. All up to here, dito sa ating stairs. And it's really nice, as you can see pagkapasok natin, na sobrang modern po ng design. You have your fluted panels, you have your matte 60 by 60 ceramic tiles, you also have your metal all over, you have your dark metal finishes. Now, gives you that interior brutalist or industrial vibe inside the house. No, as we move a little bit further, we have a door here. Mamaya ko ipapakita yan, mamaya tayo pupunta dyan. But let's go here first. Very nice accents. Now, this is the first toilet and shower of the house. You have it complete with your shower. You have your tiles all the way up. You have your sink. You have your small fixtures also included. And this is the first bedroom of the house. It's just a good size. It can be a guest room, it can be an office, it can be a study area, it can be a fitness room if you would prefer that. And this is what I like about this property. It's the big glass panels that allows you to see the view of the outside. And if you open it, you can feel the breeze of the air. Talagang hinahangin yung buhok ko and sobrang lakas ng hangin po dito kasi medyo elevated po tayo. This is actually a little bit higher than New Valley, kaya napakaganda niya. And you can actually have direct access to the jacuzzi if you would like to. So let's tour the other part of the ground floor. Let me show you the kitchen and the dining area. So it's separated by another glass. You know what, I like this kasi at least if you're entertaining guests, you just cover this, ang gandang tignan. Okay? They don't need to see what's happening inside the kitchen. So pero tara, let's tour you around. This is a granite countertop with your Fabriano range hood and your cooktop. You have your modular cabinets, you have your racks here, you have a dual sink here, and then you also have more cabinets. It's a good space to cook and prepare meals for your family. And you have this good sized dining area which can easily fit on a 6-seater or 8-seater dining table. Baka nga po kasya pa yung ating 10-seater because it depends on the size of the chairs and also the table. And one thing that I like this so much, tignan nyo, hinahangin nga po yung buhok ko, sobrang lakas po ng hangin dito. You have these 2 sliding glass doors to enjoy the view of the outside. You enjoy the breeze of the outside. Kaya po, if you're looking for a vacation home, this might be the property. We're done here in the ground floor. Let's go up on the second floor, which I'm very excited to show you. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And let me just admire how beautifully designed the house is. You have your WPC panels on the ceiling, which allows you to be very, very economical at sobrang hindi nyo pa kailangan pinturahan, punas lang, okay na siya. Then you have the beautiful view of your chandelier. And then you have this design on the hallway which gives you that very beautiful feeling or parang ang ganda ng pagka-architecturally design niya. So let me tour you around this side of the property. So let's go first to the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom of the second floor. It's just a good size. You have your space for your cabinet, a single bed or semi-double bed if kasha. So depende sa inyo. And you have 2 windows here to enjoy the breeze of the outside and the view of the outside, LED lights, and you have also fluted panels. Now, right across is almost an identical bedroom, but it's bigger. Now, what's nice about this one is mas malaki po siya, so kayang-kasya po yung semi-double or double bed. Pwede pa tayo maglagay ng cabinet. And what's nice about this is you can open this up and enjoy the breeze of the outside. Diba? So it's an automatic balcony in your bedroom. Very nice. It's sobrang okay na okay siya. Ang ganda ma-enjoy ng view niya. Kita nyo naman yan. Just imagine waking up to this kind of view every day. Sobrang ganda po niya. So let's go to the next part of the house. I'll show you the common toilet and bath, which will be shared by the first 2 bedrooms that you saw here in the second floor. This is the shared common toilet. So as you can see, so you have your toilet here, you have your toilet here, you have your sink here, and then you also have your washing area here. Okay, so let's go downstairs. Let's go to the master's bedroom. So here's the master's bedroom. It's the biggest bedroom of the house. As you can see, you have your fluted panels, you have your concrete finishes. So yung pagiging industrial niya, na maintain po niya all throughout the house. And as you can see, yung design natin all throughout the house, sobrang ganda po niya. You have your big windows here to enjoy the breeze of the outside, another big window here. And you have a mirror here. So just in case, vanity mirror here so that you can take a look at yourself bago agtapos magbihis habang aayos ka. And you have a big toilet and bath here with your automated toilet. You have your shower enclosure here. You also have your heater. You have your mirror with your light. You also have your sink. Now dito rin sa ating second floor would be your shared or common balcony facing the front of the house, which I like so much kasi ang ganda ng breeze ng hangin dito. That's the one thing or one of the main selling points of this property is yung breeze ng hangin dito. If you're into this, you like that quiet and serene, peaceful vibe. When you get home from a very busy day of work, this is perfect for you. So this is a wrap-around balcony all the way to the other side. So you can place tables and chairs here, put a sofa, maybe do some work here, do some coffee. You can eat breakfast here if you would like to. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual and schedule a site visit, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. There we have our Viber, WhatsApp, and also our iMessage. You can also go on our social media pages. We have our Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you're still looking around and you would like to get updated with the latest listings that we'll be posting on our website and on our YouTube channel before it goes live, you can go on our Viber community. Diyan po pinopost namin ang mga project promos, mga bagong ilo-launch na projects. The link is on the description box or dyan po yan nasa comment section natin. Once again, this is Arman Cruz and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!